Hi there, this is Ben with Shirk Photography, and I want to give you a brief glimpse into my big screen horizontal template. This is a great template with a ton of really cool features. There's both a horizontal standard proportion template and a panoramic template, which is like a 1:2 proportion. With the standard version, there are cropping guides you can see here that are going to show you where it will crop to at an 8:10, and a 5:7 will crop even less than that. So you can print nearly any standard size you want with this template. You don't have to make multiple designs. And of course, this prints awesome as large banners. You can print up to 10-foot banners with this, or simple 4x6s, 5x7s, and 8x10s. It's super easy to insert your subjects. Simply have a bunch of extracted subjects that you want to insert into the template. I'm going to select them all, and then I can drag and simply drop them into the template, and they'll start appearing one at a time. And you can arrange them however you like. This can fit a ton of different individuals if you like, or you can make each individual bigger and fit less. It's just as easy as that. You can easily change the colors on the layers palette, and there's a full tutorial that'll show you in depth how to change all these colors. But for example, if I want to change the background color, I could navigate down here to the background color, and there's a little icon in the corner of this thumbnail that I can double click on. When I do that, my color picker pops up and I can pick any color I'd like. So for example, I could do blues, greens, yellows, reds, whatever matches your team. Same thing for the lights. I can go up and click on this color option and select blue lights. I could make them yellow. I could make them any color I wanted to. These flares, the text, all that stuff changes just like that. And again, there's a full tutorial that'll teach you in depth how to do all this. And then, of course, the really cool feature is these two jumbotrons in the background that can basically be any design you want. You can include game day shots in the background. You could do like a full team picture. You could do just the senior headshots back here. You could do sponsors, the school logos, school mascots. Anything you want can be inserted into here. This even has an optional football field layer that can shut off and make it a more generic sports floor, so any sport can be played on here. For example, baseball, softball, soccer, field hockey, lacrosse, all those sports will work great in here also. It's an awesome template. I'm sure your subjects will love it.